That's me and you.
Roger. Flat ran the wheels off of it, Roger did. Where's your nuts? Are they in there?
They're right there.
Oh, bless America. What are we gonna do? Probably leave your blade up.
Yeah, I think we'll pick this tar up off of it. Then I can probably take the grappling raise up and the back of it up.
After I get the weight off, you have to turn your steering wheel while you're steering it worth the shit either.
That's good. We'll be okay on that.
Well, the studs are broke, so it ain't gonna hurt the studs, and the threads will still be in the axle, so it ain't gonna hurt the axle. We all just turn to something. Make sure the rocks ain't getting into a seal, axle seal. No, I don't know, Roger. Yeah, can you open your tongs and stick him in dirt? Maybe. All right, we'll try. Yeah. Well, yeah, just broke down and go eat dinner. Six.
How about your junkyard?
Yeah.
Find a pretty good chunk of wood up here.
Big enough to get about a 16-footer.
About a 16-footer.
I didn't get them too. I was freaked out that morning when I changed them. I just better didn't get them tight.
Hank, that road that went up the hill I was on yesterday, that's it right there, ain't it? I think that's the way these were supposed to go out, huh? Well, I asked Derek this morning, he said, yeah. And then Phil said, come down the hill there earlier, you and him was talking about the road.
Hey, you got one out.
I'll go. Get it, Derek. That road up here to get them is right over there. So right between that white oak and that red oak.
Hit the nut. Nut. Nah, we're good. It's a false alarm. Why, you son of a biscuit.
I didn't know what I had.
What's that?
That's okay, I threw my dinner away. I ate it so fast I didn't know what it was.
Well, we ain't got ours, so don't feel bad. Here's that start.
Besides, you need it.
M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E, Dodgy Dodge, Dodgy Dodge. Fittings, sittings. Well, I ain't got enough lead out. Mickey Mouse.
15, 16%.
Mickey Mouse. Inch and an eighth then, Roger, I told you. Inch and an eighth. Inch and an eighth. Mickey Mouse. You did what?
Fetch him, got up here and he
Yeah.
didn't get him. I seen him up here. Well,
That's what done it. The fact that he left them trees for you.
yeah. Well, I'll get up here and
See,
get
that's
him.
how it works if they get mistreated, Roger.
Yeah.
You know what's funny? We're gonna get all these out before they show up with the weld mill. Cause you know what? I'm gonna screw this out this way. And I'm gonna take a grinder. And I'm gonna clean it up or it'll go the other way. Alright, as you all can probably tell, I don't have a welding helmet. It ended up back at the shop. I was working on something at the mill and didn't have my welding helmet, but I went on eBay and ordered some used welding helmets. So keep some extra welding helmets around here. So what I'm trying to do is I got two studs that's being a pain in the butt. I got a welded nut on them. I took a grinder cutting wheel and cut off the back side where the nuts, you see the nuts in this picture? Cut off the back side and then welding a nut on the front side and then screwed out the impact. Or do what?
Where's she at?
Doopy poopies. That's a bad doopy poopies. Well, anyway, I'm actually recording video. So come on over here and say hi to everybody. You gotta come closer. Closer. Nope. Poopy's just got caught in the
You're
trap.
supposed to be watching
Good
her.
Poopy.
You're supposed to be watching her.
It wasn't my day to watch her.
Oh my gosh.
Come here.
Trust you for
Tell everybody on YouTube, Mommy's been in such a bad mood.
I'm not in a bad mood.
Why you been in such a bad mood?
I'm not.
You were putting Waddy up.
Ryan.
So my camera went dead, the GoPro went dead, and I didn't get putting the tire on and stuff. So this is my iPhone recording right here.
Right here.
Right here.
How do you spell that? Can't.
CH.
It's a weightism.
It's
That's stuff to do.
Alright, we'll go get to work. Get doing something. Start watching your dog. Your dog's up to no good.
Doopy poopy.
Always.
Can you say something?
Good doopy poopy.
Can you bark?
Say something, doopy poopy. Oh, it's off. Alright. Bye. Good as gold now. Let's see how he does. Now for us to get out of here. See if that stuff's still hot. Yeah, they can keep that little piece of stud. Don't tell anybody you seen me later, guys. Give me a big trouble. Just a little piece of nut, but that could land me in prison.